Well, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What be your name?
Ola.
Ola. Ola, you get girlfriend?
Yes. You
Okay.
want collect am?
I no call your girlfriend. I just want to ask you one question about your sexual life. You understand? So now, if that your girlfriend, if you and that your girlfriend dey inside room now they make love. You understand? And the thing don dey sweet una too, the thing don dey enter body. Wetin be that sexual sound wey you dey make? That ringtone wey you dey make when you dey, enjoy your babe.
You think it's a joke? You think it's a joke?
Ringtone.
They dey call am bedroom voice. You understand? Bedroom voice. Wetin be that bedroom voice wey dey give your babe?
When I dey ta ta ta.
Yes.
Omo. So you see, I want make I just talk am, I do the voice
No,
for
talk
you.
and make audience hear now. Others they go want if the sound makes sense, but people fit copy your sound. You understand?
Some of you are just evil.
Why you dey laugh
Some
now?
of you are worse than Hitler.
Uh,
It is smoky.
Be like your
Calm down.
sound